Good morning, Jerome.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
My name is Talal. I will be your assigned today.
Nice meeting
Okay,
you.
we have like discharge bag. This is discharge bag include the resources for your discharge, nurse-led clinic appointment, for home medication, for relapse prevention plan. This is discharge bag we will give you after discharge from our unit. Okay? We'll sit together during your stay in our unit to explain all the things it's in.
Okay. It sounds helpful, Talal. Thank you.
Good morning, Jerome.
Good morning.
How are you
Talal.
today?
I'm good.
You know me, my name is
Yes.
Talal. I will be your primary nurse. As we talk, upon admission, we will sit together to explain the discharge document.
Okay.
Okay, first, you will be know about discharge, nurse-led clinic appointment. So this is very important to follow after discharge, to follow this is appointment. Okay. Second, we have home medication. The third thing, that's a relapse prevention plan. Good afternoon, Jerome.
Good afternoon,
How are you
Talal.
today?
Yeah, I'm good.
I want to ask you what you understand about the discharge back so far.
The discharge pack you told me the other day regarding my prescribed medications, also my relapse prevention plan, and also the emergency contact numbers that I could call in case of emergency.
Jerome. I'm Nurse Jan. We will be discussing about the discharge pack itself. So as far as I know, when I check your file, your primary nurse already explained to you further about the overview of the discharge pack. So now, as assigned nurse for you, and it's good that you have your company representative who will be taking good care of you upon discharge. So it's very important for you also to understand about the discharge pack, so that upon discharge, Jerome and you could utilize this one. Okay? Appointments. It's very important this one for you to comply. Okay? We put here, like for example, you will be discharged. You will see the dates of your follow-up appointments and where you will going to follow up. Okay? Now let's go to the home medication. So the home medication, your nurse, maybe tomorrow they will be sitting to you and explain to you further about your medication. The next days also, your primary nurse will talk about relapse prevention plan. You will be talking about what can I achieve when I am well, okay? What are the relapse triggers? Very important this one. What are the relapse signature? And what are the steps do I take to stay well, okay? And what are the steps do I take if I feel I'm getting unwell? Okay, in emergency hotlines, there are 4 here. The mental health helpline, the 16,000, okay? This will help you about your mental health concerns. Like I believe you know already your primary nurse, right?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah,
Talal.
yeah, that's good. And your consultant?
Dr. Mani,
And your resident doctor?
Dr. Sam.
Very good. Okay, for the psychoeducation, you will be knowing your own mental health conditions. Okay? You have phone there, so that at least you will know how to use this one, even at home.
Okay.
Yeah, just try. Okay. It's coming?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here, you will know about medication adherence. There are videos, simple videos. And breaking the stigma, what is mental health, and mental health in Qatar. Okay? And upon discharge, you will be expecting to be asked about feedback. Okay. So any question? Yeah, Mr. Jawad, thank you so much for coming. And Jerome, if any concern, just approach us.
Yes.
Okay? I hope you understand about what I have discussed.
Yes, I understand.
Good afternoon, Jerome. How are you today?
I'm good.
Just I want to sure you know about your home medication. So you know what medication you're taking at home?
Yes, I'm taking Venlafaxine right now.
Yeah, which how much the dose of this medicine?
I think 300 milligram. Yeah, yes.
Okay, why you are taking this pill vaccine?
For my depression.
Well, okay, you know about the side effect? This is for
Side effect, as what you have mentioned before, it's the blurred vision, dry mouth, and
and nausea also.
yeah, nausea.
Yes. Today we will discuss about relapse prevention plan. So we will ask you some questions about like what you can achieve if you well, your trigger, your relapse signature. So first question, what can you achieve when you are well?
Well, what I can achieve when I'm well is I can do sports, I can do my daily activities, and
good.
I can go to work without any.
Thank you very much, Jerome. I hope you understand well about your relapse prevention plan. So you know how to reach that about information about your mental health condition?
Yes, I will just scan the barcode.
Yeah, well, it's coming video as well.
Yes.
It's a great line. So you remember the mental health helpline number?
Yes, it's 16000.
Yeah, good. About ambulance number?
999.
Yeah, that's good. Hey Jerome, take care about yourself. Thank you for your cooperate during your stay in our unit. So this is your discharge back. We talk it about. So if attached with the discharge summary also, if it's possible to make that feedback survey, you know how to make it.
Yes, I will just scan the barcode.
Yes.